Me not say nothing in another video, I just a show no. Me not saying nothing. Yes, that a callaloo. Season up with tomato. No, not tomato. Onion and scallion and like a mixed seasoning and thing. And this are the okra in the sink right there. So me not say nothing more. Don't ask me for no recipe or nothing, because I know me I do it at the brother. Let me just show you. See right there, so. So anything you wanna see, don't ask me no question about it. Alright? Yes. This is called snappers. Snapper. Yes. So all I do now is, yeah, and let me just give you a clue. See the file paper, snapper file paper, and the stuffing, and the okra over there. So yes. So I must know what happened after that. See, now we are, see the crackers up there, see the crackers? Now we are shell out the file paper. Me just showing up. Please don't look in the kitchen. The kitchen is dirty. Don't look at everything. Look on the file paper alone. It's file paper alone I'm showing you now. I don't expect you to be looking over in the corner, over there, so, or over on the pot there, and or over there, so. Just look on the file paper alone, because that's what I'm showing you now. So we are count out the file paper then now. That's the job of the file paper counterer. Alright, see the butter where I use here? This is Golden Ray butter. And I am subscribed to one girl pan. What's your name? Taste of Trini. Taste of Trini. See that? Golden Ray butter where I put on the fish there. See it there now? You sprinkle some of the Italian herbs in this, you know? Yes, but I mean make it the Italian herbs. That's a mixture of basil, oregano, parsley, and all those nice herbs, you know. So you sprinkle that on it. And this is an impromptu video, guys. So you don't ask me about a recipe, nothing. Just look and learn.
Right. Remember the days we get some group ahead?
Yes, man. Remember back in the days, the group ahead days. Then Tracy just asked for when we had the seafood thing again.
No, the group ahead.
The stew on group ahead.
No. When it ended up finished, it was in a foil container.
Oh Lord, with the shrimp and the crackers. Yeah, make my ball now.
And 2 o'clock the next morning, you're still there in there drinking all the juice.
No, sir. That the group ahead there, 4:30, me and Candy sit down and eat that the group ahead there. No, man. So, see, you have to make sure you sprinkle up the thing them and make sure all of the fish them get well coated. Well coated.
Just like the tailor, the measurement.
Yes, yes. Hey, the Golden Ray, they smell different, you know, brother. Trust me. We're gonna make Candy smell like the butter there. Me no know, see what Taste of Trini use it all the time. Them use it and them use real butter, the other butter. You know? Larry's. And Larry's is a seasoned salt and a seasoning salt, you know. So it not have MSG, but it's a seasoned type of salt. It's very, very good. Our oh, Larry's.
With a Larry.
With a Larry, it a go on it. I never know say you have to pronounce it right to use it. Larry's. Eh?
Remind me of the man.
Yeah, put Old Bay.
Old Bay in the Callaloo.
Oh, Old Bay in the Callaloo.
The Callaloo?
The Callaloo. Yeah, put lemon butter, lemon pepper. It's in the Callaloo.
The Callaloo?
The Callaloo. The Callaloo.
To make it make right. Put up that more funny.
Yes, that is the Callaloo. You know, so I make my own green seasoning.
That's not easy, my.
Yeah, man, just blend up everything green. And put in one buckle and put in the fridge.
Callaloo?
Callaloo.
Callaloo?
Callaloo. So you see Golden Ray now. I touch a Golden Ray. You put on the golden ray.
Callaloo.
And then you mix up the Callaloo, the Callaloo. So where you put the okra? Oh.
This is what I try to do most of the time. So you steam it out, put the fish between, you stuff the fish and put some on top of it.
Oh, so you make sure it color socials. It have to be color socials. Alright, so this is Brother Watson special. Yes. So you put it on a bed of Callaloo. Then you put Callaloo on the inside too.
Yes, ma'am.
But you're the problem, Brother Watson. You're the problem. All when I hear I run water. All when I hear I run water. She sit down and she bleed.
Belt it and still.
Watch what's going on now. This is just that okra does give it enough slime to be just right.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can imagine if you have the angel fish that when you cook it, it goes like cold food.
Oh, the angel fish. You know, say doctor carry a little bit of gum to, but not enough. It's a little bit of gum. But doctor nice when he roast it. See? If I put a little bit more of the golden ray. Yes.
Mr. Ray.
And then you touch him back with the
Callaloo.
the Callaloo. And mark you guys, Jamaican Callaloo different from Trinidad Callaloo. Trinidad Callaloo is a mixture with the taro plant and a whole different ball game. So, and oh Lord, see it now. This is what you call the pièce résistance. You understand? You call this the pièce?
No, you call it a complete meal.
A complete meal.
Carbs, protein, and veg.
Sorry, sir.
Why you picking fish?
Kill me?
Why you picking fish?
Kill me?
You're picking fish.
Who figure
see,
fish?
one little picnic in here, a peer trouble little picnic again in my house.
Is there fish?
The little picnic come take over the whole house.
Why you picking fish?
The picnic I take over the whole house. She just canned me out of orange and orange juice. And now she there a war, she don't want no fish. Like nobody there plan to get her fish. See there? Sealing up the package. Sealing. And that's one. We're moving on. We're moving on.
Remove fish.
Oh yeah, not moving any on. Moving fish. See there? Golden ray. And the Callaloo takes a big step down there now. Oh, I'm gonna put on. You see that one? That style is a different sample style. I'm give you. Yes, that one there's a different. Now, if you not want, say you not eat fish, you could have just steam the Callaloo and the other crackers same way. So
complete meal.
Watch it. Yes, man. Watch that one, Watch this one, guys. Watch it, man. And this is a Friday evening. Now, if you don't want something like this done at Funo House, give me a call. Drop a line. I will send him over there.
Hell no, yeah. I got the kids to carry on Friday.
Listen, me not care what I'm talking about. We carry the whole life of them come wait night bus while he prepare this Funo. Yes, and this is a complete meal. You understand? This is what you call personal chef doing this job right here. So all you guys who interested in getting some real 100% Jamaican steamed roast fish in the file paper with the Callaloo, give me a call. Alright? And this I will go into the oven because we don't have no grill. So I put in the oven. I will go make it permutate. Yes.
What?
Permutate. It will go permutate in the oven.
No.
Yes. Who beg? Nah get. Who no beg? Don't want. So.
It's a fish.
See Pitney come back again. See Pitney come back again.
Fish.
No.
It's a fish.
No, this one way they run.
See Pitney there? She had the little one way in a place, a terrorist. See her there? She robbed me orange and then she begged juice.
Maybe a terrorist?
And now she eyes the fish and the callaloo. Here, me don't eat fish. Fish, that's fish. Oh, me not eat fish. But every minute she come look how far the fish reach, you know. But here what? This is more fish and more fish. May I show you the finishing? You understand? Yeah, man. See what I'm going on now? Yes. So we have them in a tray there, so. And them are sort out. Yes. Yes. Yes, man. So, let's see what I'm going on here now. Yes. See that. Oh. Hallelujah, glory divine.
Candy?
Ladies and gentlemen, see finishing there. Original, what call it, roast fish, even though it can I oven. It is solid, it is steaming, and it is nice. Yes. May I tell you? Oh, it looks, see?
You can't talk.
You can't talk? Wow.
I am busy.
Wow.
Look at this. Succulents. Dip it in the juice.
And work it.
Yes. No, this is real. I'm trying to be sensitive. Real talk.
Hey. Let me go man.
No. No, take a seat. Take a seat.
What?
I'm about to tell you something.
We don't want to sit down.
All I want to say is that I appreciate you. Y'all make fish.
No. We don't make fish.
Y'all put the fish in the oven and everything.
Put the fish in that oven.
Yeah.
The fish can go in that
Put the
oven.
fish in the oven. But what I'm saying though, Big Montine.
Big man never pan side.
I can't do it.
Big man never pan side.
I'm trying to.
But me I tell you,
I'm
big man
coming
never
at you
pan
like
side.
I'm trying to like.
No, come on,
This
man.
is real. I'm trying to tell you something.
So make it. What happened?
Simon, this is yours.
No.
Him just drink female no tight. What left is yours?
That is not. All of that is not for Simon.
Yes.
All of
You drink yours.
No, all of that is not for Simon.
You just drink yours.
All of that is not for Simon.
See, you have the cup right there. See?
This is a taste.
No, that's
This
your
is a
share.
taste. Oh,
That's your share.
No, I taste it.
That's your share.
Hey, cuz, what's up, cuz? What y'all do?
What?
What y'all do? This is a taste.
No,
This is a taste.
that is a full amount.
This is for us.
No, but you drink a cup already.
Me know me have to see them.
You know, so you're wicked, Philip. me just walking in home.
You drink a cup. Me see you don't see him drink a cup. The whole always see him
Why you
drink
be lying though, cuz?
Yeah, well, what good?
Hey, why you gotta be lying? What's up, cuz?
Sunday,
What's the mood in? My stomach. Man, but it's like, yo, and I never say thank you, man. And like tonight, like, I came, right? And I saw the fish. I wasn't expecting this fish. I just want to say thank you, man. Hey, come here, man.
Come where?
Yo.
I have one more look on the fish. I couldn't just make it go on, so I have to go on one more look. Tender. Flavorful. Sorry if I eat while I make a video. But I couldn't just make that one here pass, so. Trust me. No extra salt. The pepper just right. The callaloo just everything seasoned nicely. I'm gonna put two. Wow. The butter just give it a really nice flavor. I'm gonna mash this up. Once again, sorry if I eat while I talk, but that one here, this is different. I can't do no better. Roast fish, guys. Or if you want to oven roast fish or bake fish. Like, share, subscribe. Check out my description box for, you know, what I go on. Comment. And all who beg now get and who beg no want. Who don't beg don't want. And all who beg now get. Guys, love you all. Big up on yourself.